So what is Asana? Very simply, Asana is project management software that product, IT, operations and marketing teams typically use to help manage their workload. Now Asana is slightly special because it has a bunch of features that go beyond project management. Now inside of it, you can manage your project in boards, timeline and a range of different views. But you can also use something called workflows, which help connect apps up and help you to create specific workflows for actions that you do on a routine basis. These automations connect with a wide range of applications in Asana's library of automations, which is quite helpful. It also has some more recent powerful AI features, which helps you to summarize challenges and problems that you may be facing as a project and things that are blocking the project. Now the application is free to use, although there is a paid pricing and subscription to unlock for your team as you want to expand your feature set. But largely, Asana is a well-known, credible option for your project management. So that's the basics of Asana. If you're looking for project management tools, we'd highly recommend jumping over to toolfinder.xyz to explore more options on the market. Thanks very much, and I'll see you very soon.